Hello, I'm Nirali Shah from Chennai. I'm a 12th pass student. I was very passionate about learning interior designing. I researched about many colleges, many institutes, and finally I found CADfx. Here, CADfx, they teach you several softwares which are needed in interior designing and architectural design. My teacher, Natesh sir, he is very good in the subject. He teaches it utmost patience, utmost knowledge, and the timings are also very flexible. You can choose according to your convenience, either weekdays or weekend. They also provide you with fast track courses or parallel courses so that you can finish a course a little faster. Right now I'm doing Master Diploma in Architectural Design, and I'm completely confident in my project. I'm completely confident in my softwares. After every session, they provide you a project so that you can work on it and get thorough with the tools and the software, so that the next class goes with the flow. And they also provide you with internships and job placements. And whoever is passionate about learning interior designing or architecture, CADfx is the best place to learn. And the backend team is also really good. They schedule your class according to your convenience, and if you have any emergency, they'll schedule the class in that week itself. And I would suggest every student, every passionate interior and architectural design to join CADfx. Thank you.